Everybody, it is day 11 on the Christmas countdown. The movie suggestion for the day is a movie we all love, Home Alone. I think it's on Disney Plus and probably other stations where you can watch it, but we all enjoy it. And my song suggestion for the day is Sleigh Ride by TLC. It's just a fun Christmas song, encourages you to have a very Merry Christmas and enjoy time with your family and friends. So those are my suggestions. So the ornament I decided to do today was a wreath. And this is the example that I followed. It is in Spanish or Portuguese. I believe Portuguese. I don't speak Spanish or Portuguese, but I was able to follow along the video, so you should be able to follow along too. So that was the example, and here is what I made. So it was, I think it's a very, very cute pattern, and my headband that I used, because you have to use a headband for this pattern, was a little loose, so that's why it's little bigger than the video, and I put, it's kind of off center where I put the ornament, but that was just my fault. But yeah, this is an ornament, and we'll put it, let's put it up here, I guess. All right, so I'll change this a little bit. So put it up here. Okay. And then let's do chocolate first. So it's day 11. It's down here. It's probably going to be an egg, guys. Yep. An egg. And then, let's see. So day 11 on our pony advent calendar. Let's see. 11. Oh. 11's bigger. I can get it out. So this is what 11 looks like. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this may be for knitting. I'm trying to learn how to knit, but I don't knit yet. But this is what we have. There are 2 of them. I'll read the description. 11. Pony color interchangeable shanks, 10.5 centimeters and 3 times 3 millimeters. Short aluminum pins for an extra smooth surface. I don't know what interchangeable shanks mean, so I'm assuming these are for knitting. If anyone knows, you can tell me in the description. I'll probably look it up too to see exactly what you use them for. But yes, that's today. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye.